Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving elevator motion are actually quite simple if you follow this 3-step process to find the final floor position in under 60 seconds today. First, find the net displacement by calculating the signed area under the velocity graph from 0 to 30. Sum the positive and negative regions carefully to find the total displacement. Since each floor is 16 feet apart, divide the total displacement of 32 feet by 16. This tells us the elevator moved exactly 2 floors up from its starting position. Finally, add the 2-floor displacement to the initial 4th floor. 4 plus 2 equals 6, placing the elevator on the 6th floor at time 30. You got this! Boom! Great work! Scan the code you can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore signed area or floor height. Always add the signed area and the initial floor.